Hey guys, welcome back Team Creative. Tonight we are in Hobby Lobby shopping for a few things, so I decided to bring you guys along and just see what they have. And instantly walking in, I see this wall of storage containers and storage bins. And guys, you all know I love storage pieces, and they have some of the cutest little pieces here. This is $7.99. These sets would be good just to store makeup pieces in, organize the space if you're going to college. And they're $11.99, and it is a 5-piece storage set. They have them in red, and they also have some bigger pieces, and that one's $19.99. That could be used in an office or anywhere, and it is an 8-piece storage set. So several colors, purple, pinks, grays, and a blue here. Sorry guys, they have a ladder sitting in the middle of the walkway. Oh guys, this is a gold. Ooh, never saw this color before. This is really cute and different. They even have a green, a coral, and a light blue. So they have some really nice spring colors. And of course guys, Easter is in the air, so they are already prepared for the spring. So let's see, other than the Easter eggs here, what they have in. Now these are really cute little baskets, and they can be used for several things, and it is $79.99, but it's a nice little entryway piece. Let's see, so just their baskets. Not too much on this aisle, just more little party pieces and paper goods. So let's move over to the other section. Here we go. Nice Easter wreath. So some nice table pieces and table decor. Really farmhouse chic Easter piece there. That's really cute. $24.99. There is a bunny. Back up so you guys can see that. That's cute. Welcome sign. And of course they do have their 40% off, guys. Some yard stakes. Egg hunt, carrot patch, bunny crossing, and jelly bean lane. Those are some cute little bags there with the burlap print. I think those are cute. So some very cute yard pieces. Here are some decor and wall art. I don't do a lot of decorating for Easter, but I've always loved the bunny with glasses. They also carry the pillows like that, and I think they were so adorable, guys. Then they just have some smaller trinkets. Bunny is cute up top. This is a plug-in nightlight, guys. This is really cute. Little ceramic nightlight. They have it in pink as well. I think these are cute with the little glasses. So some cute Easter pieces, of course. And maybe one of the first holidays that we can actually maybe get out and be outside and enjoy while still social distancing. So let's see what's around the corner here. This is a cute little display. It's Easter decor, but it's in the blue print. So if you like blues, there's a pillow with a little bunny, guys. He's so cute. We have a little dish to hold treats. There's the runner, table runner, as well as the cloths, the dish towels. I love these beads, guys. These are always really, really cute accent pieces, and they're $12.99. Oh, they have the Easter in the burlap as well. So cute, so cute. Look at the little bunnies. Black and white little bunny. And then they have just the regular spring colors. That jar is cute with the Easter bunny on top. And there is another cute pillow. And then, guys, they have some of the appliances in spring colors. Donut maker in pink. A smaller crock pot. A 2-quart air fryer. And then a coffee maker. And they have them in a teal, a pink, and a gray. So if you're looking for appliances in a nice spring color, they have those. And then of course they have their tableware in spring colors. Purples. So if you are a lavender lover, they have the basic grays. The apron is cute. And there's a bread box. I think the graters are really cute. $7.99 and 40% off. I think I'm actually gonna grab me a grater just because I like that gray. Has some unique placemats here. Table runners to match. Some floral print plates there. I love that tumbler. It's really cool. These are cute little plates with the like a little teacup that comes with it. And it's $14.99. They have it in all colors as well. So like if you're gonna do a little tea party or girls' day over, that would be cute. And then they have the spring, the beach theme. I think we are all ready for vacations and the beach. I know my son is craving. He said today, I'm craving to get in the beach, in the ocean, Mom. He told me he would actually give up candy for the beach right now. So I know he's missing it, but he is definitely a person who loves water. So guys, a lot of nice aprons, different patterns. There are not many colors they don't have, different styles. Boho chic, simple, minimalist. You can pull off just about anything. These glasses are really pretty, guys. They have a print there on the bottom, $7.99, 40% off. These wine glasses are really pretty. So let's see what else they have in for the spring. And as you come around, they get into the brighter colors, the nice vibrant reds. They have the appliances for the reds as well. Strawberry theme, of course. The soap pump is really cute in the strawberry theme. And then of course you have to
the front high wall for code 1, please. Documents to the front high wall and seasonal for code 1. Thank you.
Of course, spring would not be spring without the lemon pattern. So you have your lemons, guys, the traditional lemon. They also have the appliances, popcorn popper, mixers, some hand soaps, citrus. It's a foaming hand soap, palm breeze, and tropical. Flamingos. These glasses are really cute, guys. The flamingo glasses. Cactus. Some more canisters and tumblers. And guys, they have all kinds of aprons. Some really pretty patterns and aprons. I love you, a bushel and a peck and a hug around the neck. Cute. They have a buffalo check. And then, so aprons to match your decor. All of the utensils. These I thought were a good thing because you can use them to store things, even dry foods. $5.99 and 40% off. You cannot beat. So guys, if you're looking for pantry organization, even the tall one, guys, here is $9.99, 40% off. But if you go to even Ross, they run about $10 to $12. That one's $13.99, the bigger one. So guys, that is the combination of Easter and spring decor that they have in. I'm gonna show you guys a few more pieces. And then I'm gonna get out of here and enjoy the rest of my evening. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this. I won't voice over here. So guys, thank you for joining me again. Be blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you've enjoyed it.
Register, please. LSTR register. Thank you.
Please let me know in the comment section if you like these videos, if you dislike. Sorry guys, they keep talking over me. Another reason for me to stop talking, but let me know if you like them, dislike them, and if you do, I will definitely do more.